Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Motorola 53724 remote speaker microphone, a pack of two sleek and efficient accessories for your two-way radios.
Let's start by unpacking what makes these remote speaker microphones stand out.
Firstly, they're compatible with a range of Motorola TALKABOUT radios, including the T200, T400, T600, and T800 series. That means seamless integration with your existing communication devices. These speaker microphones work with voice-activated transmission-capable radios. This feature allows you to communicate hands-free, enhancing convenience and safety, especially in busy or hazardous environments.
Now, let's talk design.
The Motorola 53724 remote speaker microphones come in a sleek black color, with a clip for easy attachment to your clothing. This ensures that you can talk and listen without having to handle your two-way radio constantly, providing flexibility and freedom of movement. The 2.5mm single-pin connector ensures a secure and reliable connection to your radio, minimizing the risk of signal loss or interference.
Plus, with a weight of just 16 ounces per pack, these speaker microphones are lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go use.
But what about performance?
Well, these speaker microphones boast an omnidirectional polar pattern, ensuring clear and consistent audio transmission in all directions. Whether you're communicating in a crowded event or a noisy construction site, rest assured that your message will be heard loud and clear. And let's not forget about affordability. With a bundle price of just $54.74 for a pack of two, you're getting excellent value for your money. Plus, with free delivery and the option for returns, Amazon makes it easy to get your hands on these essential accessories.
In conclusion, the Motorola 53724 remote speaker microphones are a must-have for anyone who relies on two-way radios for communication.
With their compatibility, convenience, and performance, they're sure to elevate your communication experience to the next level. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay connected and stay informed. This is Product Critique, signing off.